our favorite radio station, VTFM. And matak ni tu city binaka ni kuwa. Kita mambo terbiyo kaningo ni amaruta kina nomini long weekend.
Right.
And long Easter weekend.
Right.
May pagkata politiko and singa era no. E dotala na singa ng garavitabi ni kuwa baka kina ng garavitabi siya na takataka.
Right.
And nabi korni takataka nabi volleyball bola. Bikimin na takataka bole nabi tolingo ni sala ni Andri mata binaka.
Right.
Bikimin na takataka tu nabi hotel di pulang isar menua.
Tonu
Ni andra ni bulu binaka na roro ni wanga buka.
Iya.
Rua lubu kena maka baka kena mai lepas mati.
Mati muni.
Iya.
Mati
Wengele.
Wengele.
Iya. Madam na ni orang ni wanga bukile membua.
Kau tahu siya nga?
Oi.
Kau tahu waktu betul mga medake?
Oi, betul mga medake balu turut sumai.
Balu turut sombo. Siya nga ikan na
Kalau
wanga
kamu buka kela dan doka ni buni new.
Dok ni bunyi ni mea pala na wakan. Iya.
And Rebecca, good morning to those tuning in through live this morning, and also those who are tuning in from the road, in the minibus, in the car, in the bus, in the school trip. Pamulu teri bikim ni namataka binangan ni ku live stream sama tu balangi, and they say vurumur teleson in the wataboli mekina. Big mbula binaka to Leo Mary joining this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in on TikTok account.
Tamay makelesi from Tonga. Boleh binaka, thank you very much. Amil ne the levu.
Right.
Blessed Tuesday kai sa morning banuwe.
Bula.
From Nandera Kidney Sentandong Bula binaka. This
Say.
morning. And also to Dinen Kumar and John Kumar.
Right.
So, Andra
Thank you very much.
Andra was a sofa and Josh nga Josh.
Right.
Pagod ni talanga bi Alexander Taletawa.
Bula binaka.
Pagod ni binaka ni toka dia na mataka binaka ni kuwa.
Don binaka.
John Kumar may singa toka. Kita na kita talanga bi kimani na bekado di siya cuma ipabalangi.
Right.
And pagkatang bisinga and VTFM and mataka binaka ni kuwa.
Don binaka.
Usip talaga na pagod ni binaka and buku ni Efekaka bikimni na buka tu na nonton Maliolala. And nabuka bitokan and biasa berubur tapang ni nabuka kina. Ni lagi talaba ni sing binani kuwa ni andra ni mata binaka. Karena lain ni lewa ni benga. Dan binaka may korbuto and mata ni kobilita tinggu mi butia. And binaka pakakino Phil Bungalei, Rosemary Williams, yandra mata binaka.
Mbula binaka talaga bi kami nito ko sar nanto bato bulit tumengori. Mga mimbi may na koro na TikTok talaga. Bato kena Facebook, bato kena mona limo ni pasar tu kaya nanto bi buno to ko sar. That day Ileana was
Bundaberg.
No, in Nambuga bus stop. Sitting there and the kids say, "Hey, this is the girl saranga who was in the TikTok that day." Ay, was saranga nang sar tulungan ko. Young kids sar access to bono bi kato. Garo ni mo kami nakataltungan na non rambulan na limenda.
Right.
Ano mo ko ni riba bita gitu ni mo na libre. Siapa tahu tips?
Donai kasih mana?
Dori kasi mo na.
Wakan dua ke, wano suri. Talk about it na mana. Entamba na mana
I went to those table on the market in Singapore, right?
Right.
And they was telling me that you went there for the mana.
Yeah, I went for the mana. So I was looking at the mana at the Nausori market. Kindergarten no Pulipate. So when I go there, they said, "Oh, you late. You have to come here early in the morning if you looking for the mana."
Right.
Then I said, "Okay." Then I call Bro Aisyah Kawaitana. So they said, "Come here the mana." Like kasih mana in Budi. So I went right to Budi. Eat mana from there. Oh,
kamu ta?
10 mana. Membuta mena apa menroka?
LT1230 say good morning, thank you so much for tuning in this morning. And to all the passengers in the bus,
right,
the minivan, the Subaru Sorry corridor, bikim ni nangol sobo kina sa para bikim ni nangol taka mena korturang isuba. Ni andra di mata binaka. Binaka tu matu ipolotu. Na roko tu your family Tidworth Wiltshire, my UK.
Right.
Bill lesenia, after
long time.
Sanggalis telemai diso tamba ka udoro.
Where were you, sir?
My Nevada.
Right.
Mati ditulibu Amerika na ngonongo pakakir Rosemary Williams ni binaka buni garavita via na matakani ko. Our story this morning will be a short one nga. Kote sa talo taka utsi na matakani ko.
Okay, before we go, I want to share a story about we spending our what you call this?
Christmas.
Easter.
Oi.
I went to Tony in Nabua. Early in the morning yesterday, we doing we want to picnic.
Oi.
So from there, there's a boat coming.
Big boat?
Yeah, for the netting. Dong Bulawa. So we was there, and one fella from Mara, from Naibubuni, he sent the regards
Oi.
to you too.
Isa.
Yeah.
Boleh menang. Arna.
So this is story about a man,
Iya.
about a boy
Iya.
who was playing rugby.
About the man who was a boy.
Who was a boy.
Right.
He was playing rugby
Right.
from the time. So he was given a consent form
Yeah.
to be given to the parents.
Right.
So the parents was there at home.
Iya.
So they write have to fill it,
Yeah.
but they don't allow this fella to play rugby.
Never give the consent.
They never give the consent.
Alright.
So they play. They have to ask another fella
Yeah.
to be in his position.
Okay,
To be
replace.
replace.
So the coach asked another fella
Yeah.
to replace him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
replace.
To replace him.
Oh, okay.
Number 7.
Okay.
So from there, the people are watching it.
Yeah.
Storm are over.
Yeah.
Hello, we be 40.
Okay.
So from there,
Yeah.
this two was look. Come, you can play here.
Ah.
So very good game. Every code was given.
Iya.
5 meter have to be scored.
Iya.
Berapa tuh kur merah?
Oh, belum menang tai.
Master. 3 times,
Iya.
no try. Elu tutungan na polo be number bitu.
Ui.
Ni sini terin takai.
Oh, must be the opposition very strong.
Yeah, very strong.
Ah.
So the fellow was there.
Ah.
He playing on the left, playing on the right. No try. The coach called the fella.
Iya.
Nongo tangane, my boy.
Ah.
My boy.
Ah.
How?
Come to me, my boy.
Come.
Ah.
Very good game.
Iya.
Very good game. I see your game inside is very good.
Ah.
But I can see the roaming around inside the field. Saya barang ani be koyo coach.
Iya.
Nongo tangane, my boy.
Iya, iya.
Tidak boleh bunang gitu. Sandor itu kami ke bunin tora papi
Sila
tali.
tuh buwan away.
Iya.
Terus sila bunang wai gun mata.
Totok
Tidak boleh
ka,
bunang
totok ka.
tangane. Totok na namunin gitu. Awal itu mo ngon tora papi tali bina ko takap tilo bendrara.
Mau matau.
Mau ima tahu.
Eh.
Asin berang no coach. Kila coach gitu orang alas tu. Sin berang no ko. Bina boleh bunang tangane.
Iya.
Totok na namunin gitu.
Right.
Awal itu mo ngon tora papi tali bina ko takap tilo bendrara.
Napa lu sing ngau nalem? Apa tuh lo menirara?
Gonna put the world away.
Sambil turun tadi.
Na balebu. Sar cukup masamela.
Hah?
Yang rebenakan dia.
Também baklis.
Bebo joining na balebu sarana sar cukup mai na mataka benakan ni kuwa mo ni benakan tiani. Na buku ni biya semati na matakan da yo. Apakah na talno ya apakah kim talno ngai ko?
Saya nga ayo nungone usaha usini ya.
Oi.
Tine
Oke, tunang gitu. Napa tatal rukin mata-mata.
Pokor na.
Kele tal tunta nangkara da katiga na pilo.
Orang gue.
Jai turanga jima tabu kile wingas.
Iya.
Serai
Ano
nanggia.
benaka?
Oh, nomor wanita.
Iya.
Ada benak.
Boleh benaka, boleh
Wanin
benaka.
reu.
Esa.
Joseph Titonga.
Princess Hannah sanga itu tunggu redems.
Right.
Sanga itu umbul benak.
Ada benak.
Andra benaka.
Rua. Princess Road. Ada benak. Obi semi. Isa. Lini ada benak. Kato John
Right.
Kumar. Isa. Asilika. Jay Turanga. Divani ada benak. Phil. O Tineaki si Veniana o Milna da levo Turanga night.
Iya. Na bijoy, alala mo tume bikem ni dems.
Oh, winawali.
Alala mo tume ni binungu karole bo dems.
Odingur.
On
Tuber ya moto.
Oh, anda sih brother.
na bijo.
Anda sih.
Endo nga nunggu koro kilaw ka tikumi wimbau.
Iyo bo. Dala tu kono kai, mi ka kilala man ni binungu karole bo. O dems ana matakani
Sini
ko.
akan
Kalau
Anda
matala
benaka.
karwa. Gas kase bulre.
Namun usar bikin neno kanta rongota aga idon no muhat lagi mata kina share na mata di kuwa.
Right.
Mentar gi sota tale na mata di mata. Sama juga mali salika kambura kingo.
Don benaka.
BTFM go kuru mundu.
Mi ka